welcome back to my channel, Risa y Paz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video yet again. So today I'm super excited. I'm going to be doing a flat twist out with a curl on the end with my flexi rods. Super nervous about how this is going to turn out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the best at flat twists. It's a hit and miss. Some days I get a really good result where it lasts me the whole week, and then other days it's like a freezing mess. First, I'm going to show you the products that I am using. So I haven't used TGIN's gel or their mousse in the past, so I am going to incorporate those into the products that I'm using. Then this is also my first time using the TGIN Miracle Repair X Curl Food Daily Moisturizer, so I'll be sure to share all of that with you guys. But look, this is what we're starting off with. I literally washed my hair yesterday. So this is what we're starting with. Alrighty guys, so I got the back done, as you can see. I'm going to start on this side. Got my side part in. So like I said, I'm going to separate this. I like to do a part that I don't mind, that I wouldn't mind showing if I wanted to flip, you know, my hair to the other side. So that's why I'm going to actually try to do a somewhat neat part. I only have my leave-in conditioner on this, so what I'm going to do, because you see how dry my hair is I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my hair in this whole section first. And I just want to moisturize it good enough that I don't have to keep applying. What I'm going to do is, as you see, I'm wetting up my hair really nicely because, like I said, I had leave-in conditioner in it. So I'm just kind of like reactivating that leave-in conditioner and softly detangling. And then I'm going to go in with my Curl Food, the Daily Moisturizer by TGIN. And basically what I'm trying to do here is really loosen back up my hair. Y'all saw how stiff my hair was, and that's because it was so dry. So now I am going to put a little bit of my oil mixture on top. This is how I would re-moisturize my hair if it was dry. And look at that difference. Look at the difference that makes. Like, I even got a little bit of curl showing, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this away and do the same thing for this top section. All right, so we're back. So the first thing that I do is, after I part my hair, I've been doing medium-sized twists all around. So to start off with this section, I'm going to show you guys kind of detailed how I do my flat twists. Here we go. Spray a little bit of water, because at this point all I'm going to do is add my styling products. So now I'm going in with my styler, and I've been using my Felicia Leatherwood brush, which I absolutely love. All right, so I put my water in there, and I'm just going to comb through to make sure all of my tangles are out. Now I'm going to go in with the Rose Water Curl Defining Gel. And I do one pump to start me off. And just applying it to my roots, really applying it to my hair at the top. And then also paying attention to my ends. So now I'm just going to comb that through. Now to start with my twist, I am going to twist towards my face. At least that's what I think. So holding this kind of in place, I'm going to twist it towards me. As you can see, I have this held right here. And now I'm taking my loose hair and twirling it around first, and then I'm wrapping it around. So it's like a twirl, wrap, twirl, wrap, twirl, wrap. And that's how I'm wrapping it around. And then I just give it one twirl upward just to secure it in. Fold it down right at the start of that twist, and then fold it up. We are all finished. It looks neat. It looks nice and neat. So I'm just gonna turn around for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is 2 days later. I left my hair, I let those flexi rods in to dry. As you can see, I have a little bit of frizz at the end. And these 3 up front were just all the way too frizzy. So I went ahead and just rodded it up again. This gel really did moisturize my hair. My hair was really shiny afterwards. Can you guys see that? Let's see. I'm gonna just keep going in the back, and then I'll come back in the front. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm not too happy about it, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this is a fail, but I am gonna get a couple of days out of it. You see, I have all frizz, like a tad bit of definition at the top. So mark my words, next time I do a flat twist, I will keep the twist going all the way down, because I feel like this side I got more definition from because I didn't have 2 rows. So yeah, this is what it is. Let me turn for you guys in the back. Turn this way. This is what it is. And I'm a rocket. I'm a rocket for a minute. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for visiting my channel. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know down below, what did I do wrong in this flat twist out? Because I don't know if I'm going to try it again, but if y'all give me some good tips, I definitely would like to try it again and conquer the flat twist out. But until then, I'm going to stick to my wash and goes, and I'll see you all in the next video. Deuces.